Okay, this is Diecast of Jackson and Diecast Racing. What we got here is the Robert Hight Highway Patrol funny car. As you can see, it's very well detailed. Check it out, Robert Hight with the American flag on top. Then we look at the other side. Really cool features. You even got all the outlets. You got that there. Let's turn it around. Really cool detail for sure. Let's check the inside. All right, the top does raise up. You can see right inside there. The motor, where the driver sits. Very well detailed for sure. You can also check out Farner Racing and Collectibles in Fayetteville, PA. You want to try to get your hands on one. I'm sure if you don't have them, I'm sure he can get one. But we do have the full-size RC ones too that we're going to probably do a video on sometime soon. So with this being said, well, thank you for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Tell your friends. We're on Facebook. Not with this channel, but you can also check out our RC Aviation and RC truck channel, Jackson RC Aviation on YouTube. Check it out. That's where we've got a lot of our content. All right. Hopefully we'll see you. We'll see you at the track or see you at Farner's Racing and Collectibles up in Fayetteville, PA. Have a great day. Bye-bye.